What if the most powerful thing you, your team, an organization could do was talk? What if we listened fully, deeply, without distraction or a rush to respond? What if we spoke with courage and care and knew how to stay silent long enough so that we could actually hear? I'm Kim Hishka, and I created Daring Dialogue as a way to help people do both. For over 15 years, I've spent time with literally thousands of people, hundreds of groups, amounting to tens of thousands of hours, watching how people interact and communicate. Daring Dialogue isn't just about what we say and how we say it. It's about how intentional we're willing to be, even when it's messy, even when it's hard. Whether you're leading a room, guiding a team, or just want to be a better human, join me. Let's dare to do it different.